We can be a renewable energy superpower. Australia is one of the few countries in the world with all the critical minerals required for lithium-ion batteries. Electric vehicles run on lithium-ion batteries, the same batteries that firm our renewable installations. And last year, 70% of the lithium in Tesla's batteries came from Australia. Tesla spends $1 billion a year on Australian minerals, and the demand is growing rapidly. However, Australia is missing out on much of the value add from this supply chain because to date, the focus has been shipping the raw materials offshore. The question is whether or not we will take the necessary steps to move further up the value chain, including more refining and large-scale cell manufacturing. We have the know-how, we have the skills, and an abundance of mineral resources. Australia has some of the richest deposits of lithium, cobalt, zinc, copper, gold, and rare earths. And Australia should aim to do the refining, the battery cell manufacturing, and the vehicle manufacturing. We can and should do all of that. I once worked at Toyota when cars were still being made in Australia, and I believe Australia can have an even bigger car industry in the electric age, where tech skills converge with manufacturing skills to create advanced manufacturing industries. Mining, refining, battery cell manufacturing, and even vehicle manufacturing, we have the know-how, we have the skill, and an abundance of minerals resources. Today, I have outlined why I believe tech jobs are great jobs. They are well paid, flexible, and secure. Promotion is rapid and opportunities are abundant. I also believe they represent one of the greatest opportunities for Australia in the 21st century, especially in the areas where we can be a global leader. But most crucially, and why I hope to impart a sense of optimism for the next generation, is that tech jobs have the ability to solve some of the world's most critical problems. It matters for this generation, but it also gives hope to the next generation to solve these problems and improve the world for generations to come. Thank you.